You're looking for a new high-yield savings account, right? And you've noticed that most online banks look pretty similar. They all promise high APYs, low fees, and great digital tools. So what, truly, makes one different from the rest? Today, we're diving into Bread Savings, the online division of Bread Financial, to answer that exact question: what makes Bread Savings different from other online banks? The short answer is focus and simplicity. While many competitors try to be an all-in-one financial hub offering checking, credit cards, loans, and investment tools, Bread Savings keeps its eye on just two key products: high-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit, or CDs. This singular focus allows them to consistently excel in their core offerings. Let's break down the three main factors that truly set Bread Savings apart. First, and most importantly, is their consistently competitive interest rates. Bread Savings is a frequent flyer on the list of banks offering the very best APYs for their high-yield savings accounts. While other banks might offer promotional tiers or require a direct deposit to unlock their top rate, Bread generally offers one strong, straightforward rate across a wide range of balances. This means your money is earning top dollar without you having to jump through hoops. Second is their simple fee structure and low barriers to entry for the high-yield savings account. While many online banks have eliminated monthly maintenance fees, Bread Savings keeps it simple with no monthly fee, and perhaps more notably, a very low minimum deposit requirement to open the account and earn the advertised APY, often just $100. This makes high-yield saving accessible to almost anyone, not just those who can fund a four-figure account right out of the gate. Third, look at the breadth and competitiveness of their CD offerings. If you're someone who is planning to ladder your savings or wants to lock in a guaranteed return, Bread Savings offers a remarkably wide range of CD terms, from short-term options like 3 or 6 months all the way up to 5 years. Not every online-focused bank offers this wide variety, and they consistently maintain very competitive rates across those different terms, making them a one-stop shop for both liquid and locked-up savings. Now, it's important to mention one difference that is not an advantage, and that's their limited product suite. Bread Savings does not currently offer a checking account. This might be a deal breaker if you want to keep all your banking under one digital roof, but if you're just looking for the best possible place to park and grow your emergency fund or long-term savings, that focused simplicity becomes a major strength. In short, Bread Savings differentiates itself by offering top-tier rates on its core savings products, simplifying the sign-up process, and providing a powerful array of CD options. They focus on making your savings work harder, without the distraction of all the other banking bells and whistles. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.